So we put on a coat of rust coat over all this area where the holes are, and then we'll put InsulKote over the top of this shortly. Right, so that is the rusted part. This has been coated with rust coat. Go up a little bit, you'll see the difference between the section over there, which is rusted, and here, which is coated. Right, now we're going to put InsulKote on there. So InsulKote is a roof repair system. Show you now. Paintbrush, please. Thank you. Hold the camera, please. Right, away we go. So now this is InsulKote. InsulKote will insulate this up to 40% cooler under this roof once it's been coated. Now, depending on the thickness you put it on, that will determine how many degrees percentage you're going to enjoy below here. Over the nail, no problem. And this will never rust again. Right, so to repair the holes, we simply are very generously coating this with InsulKote. There, the hole has almost disappeared. Here's another hole. Just generously coat over that. Looks like it hasn't disappeared, but that's just the first coat, so don't worry too much about that. We're going to pour on some more here and fill out that hole nicely. And then with the second and third coats, you'll see it just disappears. We now have started applying the third coat, and it's difficult to see where the holes are. That was where one of them was, that was where the other one is, and this here was where that big hole was. Sometimes when the holes are very big, you can use a bit of membrane, such as that size hole, right? So then we would just use a bit of membrane over that. So that's it. We've put a bit of membrane over that huge hole, and it's now repaired for life.